Chukwudi, let's be real, sending a client an email that just say, hey, send details is not a business move, it's an insult. We are not chatting on WhatsApp. You are a busy leader and you don't always have the energy to type out long, polite and persuasive emails. But if your communication is too blunt, you lose deals. If it's too messy, you lose respect, and you need to sound like a CEO even when you only have 5 seconds to type. Enter Flowrite. This is like having a high-level executive assistant living inside your browser. You just type a few rough bullet points and the AI transform them into a powerful, structured, professional, and polite email. It handles the corporate speak for you so you can focus on the actual work. It's the fastest way to turn a rough thought into a close deal. In the professional world, tone is everything. A well-written email builds confidence and shows attention to details. Whether you are following up with an investor or pitching a new client, Flow ensures that you always sound like the smartest person in the room. Stop being the guy who sends short texts and start being the partner people want to work with. Open Flowrite, type your raw thoughts and use the template in the caption. This is the 47 of 100 days of building a smarter business with AI. Stop the text message emails and start the executive communication. Follow for day 48. I am showing you the AI that turns your hand-drawn sketches on a napkin into a real website or app design instantly. See you tomorrow. I am Casper Joe, your business growth expert.
Every step we grow and learn. Fuel the passion, take your turn.